puff.
But they're gonna make you fall out.
And I be like this.
They're gonna make you goddamn pass out.
And then when I be about to give out a breath, they be like, keep going, keep. I'm like, where the hell this air finna come from? I have no idea. So I last talked to y'all on Saturday. And what did I do Saturday? Saturday I went to the tea, to the Dirty Tea, and then I went to the Whiskey Riot Festival. And then after that we decided to go to Real Taco to get some tacos and queso. Sunday I pretty much just rest. I really needed me a rest day. And so today I'm continuing on with birthday plans. I am prepping for some cocktails. I'm having my neighbors come over for cocktails. So I got this peach vodka and I'm gonna do some content with it. So one of the cocktails calls for green tea, and I'll show y'all the tea. I'm actually boiling my water. I'm doing an old fashioned. So this is a tea that I'm using, Tazo green tea. I really like their tea, Organic Zen. It's really, really good. So I have it in the pot, and I am going to boil it and let it steep. And then it's gonna be interesting because I gotta figure out how I'm gonna transfer the tea. I guess I'm gonna be like zipping it out over there, like swirling it out. I'll probably like some soup, probably. But this is the pot, whatever. So I just got it boiled. I did 4 bags because I did. Actually, I probably need to do more than that. Let me add 4 more in here, because now that I think about it, I did 4 pours of 2 cups, right? So it was 16. That's 16 ounces. So yeah, that's like 8. So actually I need 4 more. 3, 4. Yeah, I'm glad I talked to you guys, because I definitely underestimated like how much tea I needed. And that tea wasn't gonna be 10 if I didn't put enough tea in there. So yeah. So I poured 2 cups of water plus a 1 cup. So yeah. So I at least need a bag for every 8 ounces to make sure, you know, it tastes like tea and not like some random bullshit. The 1 ounce can kind of, you know, it ain't really that important, because technically these tea bags, you can make 16 ounces out of 2 tea bags. I mean, out of 1 tea bag, you can do 2 cups of tea. So if you're doing an 8-ounce cup, that's 16. So technically, you know, you can do that. So yeah. So I'm just gonna do 8 bags of tea. And then what I'll probably do is I might just make some sweet green tea for later. So after I use all of this, since I've already used 8 bags, so I'm not gonna be wasteful. After I'm done with cocktails, I'll probably boil more water and steep them again and get some good use out of my tea bags. Okay, baby? But I kind of just want to get on here. I just let y'all know what's going on. And once everybody arrives, I will come back and check in with y'all, so I can show y'all like me making the cocktails and everything. Alright, so I got the tea brewed and I put it in this pitcher. Still kind of hot or whatever, but yeah. And then I can, you know, so I'm just letting that cool. That's part of my ingredients. And yeah,
been tired since this morning.
all right guys, it is officially my birthday. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now I got to open up my gifts and see what's big God's me. So let's open up. I'm gonna move this to the, ooh. Wait, why you wanna get this plate? Alright guys, let me move this over so y'all can see me. Alright. They got me some flowers. Look at these. Ain't they so pretty? And that I have my favorite color in here. Pink. And it smells so good too. Alright, and he got me a balloon. And let's see, there's a card in here. Alright, we're gonna open up the card. Oh, there's a little note. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it said though. And ooh, look at the front. Oh, look how cute this is.
You gotta blow it out. You blow out the candle though. Yeah.
Oh, let me do it over. I'm probably gonna edit. I was just like, just do it. I said I'm gonna pretend. Like I haven't opened it. So, no, we're gonna turn. Alright. So look at this card, y'all. Isn't it cute?
Open it up.
Oh, look at this, y'all.
And you can blow out the candle. You gotta blow it like, but you gotta. It's like a hole right now in the middle. You gotta blow it out.
Oh, okay. Let me see.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
You know, this feel like, okay, you don't have allergy or asthma, but this feel like when I go to the doctor and then they have to do like a lung function test on me and they give me this little thing and they be like, blow.
You keep going. And
yeah, and they be like, keep going. Because you're supposed to do like one long puff.
But they're gonna make you fall out.
And I be like that.
They're gonna make you goddamn pass out.
And then when I be about to give out a breath, they be like, keep going, keep. I'm like, where the hell this air finna come from? I have no idea. So this is what that made me like think about. I haven't even took one of them in a little minute. One time it was bad. It was like, oh yeah, you about to get this inhaler.
They make you doing a breathalyzer test.
Man.
What's your alcohol levels? Man, blow into this and don't stop until I tell you.
It was like crazy. I was just like, this is crazy. Alright. Ooh. Y'all. I love me some perfume.
I want you. I need you and I want you.
Where is that? Like from a movie or something? Cause I want you. Or something
I don't
like
know, but I remember that from Boondocks with the dude. He was like, I want you. I want you.
Ooh, this is cute. Yeah, it's like a 3-in-1.
Gold all of my
Lotion.
Gold all of
bottle and a pearl. Hey. Now I haven't heard of this one before. So let's just smell this.
That choo-choo. That choo-choo train.
Let's smell this. You gotta let it dry, you know. You ain't supposed to rub in your wrists together.
Yeah, flick that wrist.
It's light. A hair of floral. Yeah. This is good, y'all.
That smells so good, man. Like, bruh.
He did good, guys. Him did good. Yeah, him did good.
I know.
Him did good. Now let's see what else in this bag. Aww. Yeah, I can't show it on the front because it still got the little address on here. But so it is a clear backpack, and I'm gonna tell y'all the story about this. So I had went to one music fest and I had packed up our little backpack. I had a clear backpack, packed it up, and we about to get ready to get out and go and leave. Damn, it's a hole in the fucking bag, and here he go. Well, it's just at the bottom, we can still bring it. Nigga, so I can bring it, and then as we're at the festival, in that crowd, the shit just started hitting the ground, and everybody get my shit. So
Well,
yeah, I
tape.
was...
Put some tape on that bag.
No. We was not finna niggerate that, okay? So I was a little sad, so I had to go with... option 2, which was a drawstring bag. But you know, I like having my little clear backpack. So yeah, and it's and my favorite color, rose pink or blush. That color is blush pink, really. But the other one was black. So.
Oh yeah, and check your phone. I sent the final birthday spice, birthday sprinkles.
Alright, let me look at my phone, shit.
Shit, their message.
Ooh, y'all, look. I've been talking about a massage for like weeks now. I've been saying, oh man, I need a massage. I need a massage. Oh, I need a massage. And then I took the day off for my birthday, so I was like, dang, I wish I could get a massage for my birthday. And then every time I get like distracted with something and I just never go and like with the appointment or whatever. And then especially like last weekend we went to one music fest. Or no, that was the weekend before, because last weekend I be getting confused. Thinking that one music fest was last weekend, but it wasn't.
You still feeling the effects though.
I know. Last weekend was actually the second when we went to the movies and it was Halloween. So it was a weekend before we went to one music fest. And really after that, I was like, oh my God, I need a massage. Like, I need a massage. So I'm so excited. I get out with my massage, y'all. And I ain't never been in this place. He said it's nice. He said he did a lot of research. So, you know what I'm saying? You know, that boy done research. So if he said he did some research, baby.
Whatever, bro.
But yeah. So it's my birthday, and we are going to have a birthday shot. All right, y'all. Here it is. There, girl. All right, y'all. So we're about to get the birthday shots of the Sir Davis. All right, so we're about to kill the rest of this bottle, but I do have no frets. I got a whole nother one. Yeah. But this bottle right here, the new one, I'ma treat like white Hennessy. Cause baby, this bottle is expensive. It's more expensive than Crown. Like for the price of this one bottle, I could get 2 bottles of Crown. You know, but this definitely will always be a staple in my house, though. I tell y'all that, cause I like it. It is a little strong too. A little strong. Some pour our shots. Oof. And I gotta get me some quick pictures. Look how cute my shot glasses. Yeah, when I travel, I like to get shot glasses, cute shot glasses when I'm traveling. Now I got so many fucking shot glasses, y'all. I need a cute way to like store my shot glasses. I was looking for it. What I wanted to do was I wanted to get some kind of frame and like a box or something to put the shot glasses in. But then I was like, man, I don't want to get. Then I thought about doing floating shells like behind my bar or whatever. But I'm just like, I don't want to like look like I live in like a, you know, like a little college place. You know, I got me a little town home. You know, I'm in my adult home, in my adult era. So I want to find an elegant way. Maybe I need to just go on pictures and see what people are doing or whatever. But I would like to eventually one day. I want to be able to like hire like an interior like decorator or whatever, and see if they can come to my space and help your girl out. You know what I mean? Help me. Alrighty. So you ready for the shorts? Yeah, I got you a Miami shot glass. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Happy birthday.
Happy
Make a wish.
birthday.
Okay. Tell me what the wish is. He ain't wish it. Yeah. Damn. Oh. Damn.
Now it's cool right here. chase cool right here.
Shit, we ain't never took a shot of that before, no?
We did.
Oh
we did
my
a
God.
sip. Oof.
That shit is like white Hennessy.
Ooh.
That shit made white Hennessy look like.
It's cold. My chest cool right here.
That shit taking a sweet time
Look,
to come down.
I should have took a shot last week when I was congested.
Oh
This shit would have knocked it all the way out.
Bruh.
And I will see y'all in the morning. Hey y'all, so it is the next day and I am on my way to get my massage. So this morning we got up and we had some Waffle House to go. It was really good. I've been chilling, had to, you know, answer my phone calls and text messages and stuff, you know, because it's, you know, my birthday, whatever. So we getting ready to head to, so I can get my massage. I'm all comfy. It is such a dreary day. Oh my God, like where is the sun? I guess I should be. Huh?
Gloomy as shit.
Yeah, I mean, I guess I should be used to my birthday being in November. It's rare that it's sunny, honestly. You know, I'd be lucky if I get a little sun for my birthday, but, you know, at least it ain't really cold out here, so I'll take that. I get a warm birthday this year. I think last year was kind of chilly. The year before that, I think it was chilly too. But, yeah, guys, so I cannot wait to have like some rest and some relaxation going on. But I will, you know, just check back in with y'all later. Thank you.
Happy birthday again.
Thank you.
Wish Nika happy birthday. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.